What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Bunny from Roblox Piggy. Now the first thing to do is start at the top of our page and draw a large circle for the head. So we're going to start in the center. Just going to work our way out towards the left. Come down the side of the head. And then round up the bottom. And then we'll work our way towards the right and then bend that back up towards the top. All the way up. And we'll bend that in. Now we're going to draw the nose in the bottom half of the head. So in the center, we're going to start right here. Just work our way down towards the bottom. And then bring that back up towards the top. And then we'll tuck the muzzle underneath the nose. Starting in the center, we draw almost like a half circle. Coming down, and then back up. Go back to the center, curve down, and then up on the right side. Now we're going to move up and out and add in the eyes. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a circle, going around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going around, down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now we're going to add a smaller circle along the inside of the left eye. Let's start at the very top, work our way around towards the bottom, and back up, and then we'll fill the outer ring in black. And then we'll fill the entire right eye in black as well. Let's move down and draw on the cheeks. On the left side, we're going to draw an oval directly underneath the left eye. Come around towards the bottom. And back up toward the top. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Come around towards the bottom. And then pull that back up. Let's move all the way up to the top and add in the ears. We're going to start on the left side with a straight angled line. Going up. And then out. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up and out towards the same height. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. We're going to round up the tip of the ear. Starting here, we're going to draw almost like a half circle. Going out and pulling that back in. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. I'm just going to pull that back down on top of the head with a straight angled line. And now we're going to go back in and trace the ears along the inside. Let's start on the left. Start with that straight line, going up along the outside, round up the top, and then come down on the inside. Alright, now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, curve out, and then down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's add some folds along the bottom of the dress. Starting back on the left, curve down and in with a short line. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more curve in the middle, starting on the left. We'll come down in the center, and then back up on the right. And then we'll add a fold from these 2 points. Starting on the left, we're going to follow the same curve of the body, going up to right about there. And the same thing on the right. And we'll tuck the legs in underneath the dress, leaving a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the heel, and come down, and bend this up towards the toe, and the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, I'm going to curve up. I'm just going to bend the foot down towards the heel, stop right about there. And do the same thing on the right, going up toward the top, and then bending that down. Let's move up and draw on the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the dress, we're going to step in, curve down and in on top of the foot. Let's move up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the inside edge of the arm. So let's start on the left side. We're going to curve out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing, coming down to the same height. Let's stay over on the right side and draw the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Now I'm going to draw 3 fingers on the right side. Starting at the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and bend the first finger up around that bracket. Step down and go out and then up. And then we're going to step down again. We're going to curve the third finger going out. Pull this up and in toward the top of the body. Now the left arm is going to be holding the crossbow. So we're going to start with the outside edge of the thumb. Starting from the wrist, and curve in, and then bend that back out. And then the crossbow is going to sit on top of the hand. So from here, I'm going to step up, draw a straight angled line, coming down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the top and bottom with a short line going up and out. Then we'll connect the top and bottom with a straight angled line. Let's draw on the outside of the arm. From the thumb, we're going to step out. It's going to curve out, round up the hand, and then pull that up and in toward the top of the body. Let's move down and draw on the bow. From the outside corner, we're going to step up. Just going to curve out, and then up. Line this up on the inside, and do the same thing. Curving in, and then up. Now let's thicken up the bow. We're going to start on the outside. We're going to taper this line coming back in toward the center, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the bow in black. And finally, we're going to connect the tip of the bow with a straight line. So we're going to start on the outside, draw a straight line coming in. And that's pretty much it. There's Bunny from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.